Everyone says air fryers are the future of healthy cooking, but here's the truth. Many models sold in the market either leave food soggy, undercooked, or even release harmful chemicals when heated. Today, we're diving deep into the best air fryers under $200 that actually perform, the safe materials to look for, the features that matter, and the ones that are just marketing fluff. Keep watching till the end, because I'll reveal a common buying mistake most people usually make, and knowing it could save your health and wallet. Picture this. You just got work from home, excited to try your brand new air fryer. You toss in frozen fries, hit start, and 20 minutes later, they're soggy and half-cooked. Frustrating, right? That's exactly why you shouldn't buy an air fryer without knowing what really matters for US Kitchen. Here's the story. First, capacity and size. You want an air fryer that matches your household. For solo meals or a small apartment, 2 to 3 quarts is fine. But for most US families, 5 to 6 quarts or more keeps everyone happy in a single batch. Then there's the temperature range and preset. You want something that can reach at least 400 degrees Fahrenheit and offers presets for fries, chicken, veggies, and baking. Think of it like having a mini chef that actually follows your orders instead of leaving you guessing. Next, ease of cleaning. A dishwasher-safe basket and removable parts are lifesavers after a long day. And safety, auto shutoff, cool touch handles, and a stable base prevent kitchen mishaps while you juggle dinner prep, homework, and life. Power and efficiency come next. US homes run on 110/120V, so pick a model that cooks evenly without tripping breakers. Noise and design also matter if your air fryer is on an open countertop, because nobody wants a loud, clunky appliance ruining the vibe of your kitchen. Finally, imagine needing help with your air fryer but getting stuck on hold for hours. That's why US-based warranty and support is non-negotiable. The biggest mistake? Buying a tiny, low-power model just because it looks cute. Your frozen fries and family dinners deserve better. To save yourself the headache, we've handpicked 5 best air fryers for US homes, all available on Amazon. Links in the description. Imagine this. It's a busy weeknight and you're craving golden, crispy fries without the guilt of deep frying. The Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer makes that dream a reality. With a 1725 watts motor, a 120-volt turbo blaze system, and temperatures ranging from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this 6-quart air fryer achieves crispy, juicy results on everything from fries to roasted vegetables. Its 3,600 revolutions per minute fan and 5-speed precision heating ensure even cooking, so every bite comes out perfectly textured. The premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray are non-stick, heat-resistant, and durable, making cleanup a breeze. Cooking is faster and quieter than you'd expect, with Turbo Blaze operating at less than 53 decibel, keeping your kitchen calm while delivering meals in record time. The 6-quart square basket is spacious enough for family-sized meals, but compact enough to fit neatly on your countertop or in a cabinet. Love fried foods? You'll enjoy up to 95% less oil, giving you the crispy texture of deep-fried favorites without the extra fat. This 13.2 pounds air fryer also features a customizable preheat function, letting you optimize cooking for a variety of recipes, and it comes with a 30-recipe cookbook created by professional chefs and dietitians. Customers rave about its versatility, noting it's great not only for air frying but also for reheating leftovers, baking, roasting, and more. They highlight the quick cooking time, quiet operation, and large capacity as standout features. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, efficient, and versatile kitchen companion that delivers guilt-free fried foods and much more, the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer is a must-have. Don't just take our word for it. Check it out on Amazon and see why everyone is loving it. And if you want even more cooking capacity, stay tuned for our next pick that takes it up a notch. Ever wish one kitchen appliance could replace half your countertop gadgets? Meet the Toshiba Chef-Fry Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, a 12-in-1 powerhouse that turns your cooking routine into a breeze. From crispy fries to juicy roasts, golden toast, cheesy pizzas, crunchy cookies, or even bagels and dehydrated snacks, this 26.4-quart stainless steel oven handles it all. With 1,500 watts of power and the Super Chef-Fry Air Fry tech, it surrounds your food with superheated air up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering crispy results with up to 90% less oil. Precision is key here. Adjust temperature in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments and time in 1-minute increments to cook exactly how you like. The large 26.4 cutie interior fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or a 4-pound whole chicken, making it perfect for family meals. Included accessories, a removable crumb tray, baking rack, and air fry basket ensure you have everything for hassle-free cooking. Customers love the Chef Fry for its versatility and build quality. Many mention it replaces several appliances, saving counter space and making meal prep simpler. One user highlights its ability to handle large steaks with ease, while others praise the fast heating, even baking, and stylish stainless steel finish. If you're ready to simplify your kitchen and enjoy healthier, faster cooking, the 18.16 pounds Toshiba Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a solid choice. Head to the description for the latest prices. Want something even more powerful for quick, guilt-free fried meals? Stick around as we reveal the next must-have air fryer that might just outshine this one. The Ramswe French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Your all-in-one kitchen hero featuring 1,700 watts of power. With a huge 26-quart capacity, it easily fits a 6-pound rotisserie chicken with veggies, a 12-inch pizza, or 6 slices of toast, making it perfect for families of 4 to 6. The dual French doors open smoothly with a single pull, revealing the interior light so you can monitor cooking without disturbing the heat. This 22-pound air fryer features 24 presets and food-specific modes, from air frying, baking, dehydrating, and fermenting, to precise menus for steak, pizza, wings, vegetables, and more. Preheating is simple. Just turn the knob and wait for the oven to reach your chosen temperature, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, for perfect results every time. 6 included accessories: air fry basket, wire rack, crumb tray, rotisserie kit, roast basket, and glove make every cooking task seamless. Customers rave about the Ramswe for its solid build, intuitive LED display, and true-to-time cooking. One notes how easily it accommodates a full 12-inch pizza, while others highlight how easy it is to clean and appreciate the clever French door design. It's considered excellent value for money, replacing multiple appliances and cutting down cooking stress. If you're craving versatility, space-saving design, and consistent results, the Ramswe French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven might just be your next kitchen companion. Don't forget, all the best buying links are in the description. Ever wished you could cook 2 dishes at once without running back and forth between pans? Meet the Ninja DZ201 Footy Air Fryer, a kitchen game changer that lets you do exactly that with 1,690 watts of power. It comes with 2 independent 4-quart baskets, so you can prepare mains and sides simultaneously. Say crispy wings in one basket while roasting vegetables in the other, without waiting for one to finish before starting the next. The Smart Finish and Match Cook features make it even easier, letting foods finish at the same time or copying settings across both zones for consistent results. This 6-in-1 appliance is more than an air fryer. Roast, bake, broil, reheat, or even dehydrate snacks, all with one sleek stainless steel unit. Its 8-quart XL capacity fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings, perfect for family meals. With a wide temperature range from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can gently remove moisture or quickly crisp foods to golden perfection. Customers love the Ninja DZ201 for its versatility, fast cooking, and easy cleanup. The baskets are dishwasher safe, and the non-stick crisper plates make post-meal scrubbing a breeze. One user noted how perfectly it roasts vegetables, while another praised how it saves on electricity compared to traditional ovens. Some mention the baskets are smaller for very large meals, but most agree it's a high-quality, worthwhile appliance. If you want convenience, dual cooking zones, 1-year limited warranty, and crisp, flavorful meals every time, this 17.86-pound Ninja Air Fryer is worth checking out. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click below to grab it on Amazon and see how effortless mealtime can be. Imagine effortlessly whipping up a crispy snack for the kids, then seamlessly roasting a whole chicken for dinner. The Emerald Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo makes it possible. This 26-quart countertop powerhouse is designed to handle meals for 4 to 6 people, including a 6-pound rotisserie chicken or a 12-inch pizza. Its 1,700 watts of power and dual-speed fan ensures 360 degrees superheated air circulation, giving you golden, perfectly crispy results whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or broiling. This 26.5-pound air fryer features a stainless steel exterior that adds a sleek, modern touch to any kitchen, while the elegant French doors open with a single pull, and the interior light lets you watch your food as it cooks. No more burnt toast either. The automatic shutoff and countdown timer keep everything on point, switching from red to blue to signal when your toast or meal is done. Customers love its versatility, praising how it works like a convection oven, cooks food quickly, and makes French fries that rival any restaurant. Some mention the size is ideal for family meals, while a few note it's a bit large for small kitchens, but the majority agree it's a smart investment. With 7 included accessories and 24 cooking functions, you can bake, air fry, broil, toast, reheat, dehydrate, and more, all in one sleek unit. If you want an air fryer that can do it all, save energy, and streamline meal prep, this Emerald Lagasse air fryer is worth checking out. Don't wait. Click below to grab yours on Amazon and start cooking smart smarter, not harder. That's it for our picks for the best air fryers to keep your meals crispy and healthy. Want to see more options? Watch this next video on the best glass air fryers for US homes. Perfect for those who love to see their food cook and prefer non-toxic materials.